I'm Russ Whitman. I'm Chief Strategy Officer and Partner at Ratio Interactive. We're a digital agency in Seattle, Washington, based out of Pioneer Square. We're just shy of about 50 people, and we've been building applications, consumer and enterprise, for about the last 8.5 years. And in the last 2 or 3 years, we've been developing across all the mobile application ecosystems, iOS, Android, as well as web and HTML formats. When we found out about Windows 8 was getting started up, we decided to go down to the Build Conference last September, and a little skeptical. Wasn't sure what was going to be, but we wanted to go find out what was going on. And we, quite honestly, were pleasantly surprised about the quality of the technology, the tools, and really the business opportunity that it put in front of our potential clients. With Windows 8, really the opportunity to dive into a market that has such a large penetration of numbers, which is unique from some of the other platforms when you make bets into them early on. Now today, iOS and Android have huge numbers, but early on they didn't. Windows 8 gives you the ability to jump right into a large market right away. We see that as a big opportunity. Ratio has always been known as a company that really invested a lot in user experience design. And we really worked hard across all the other platforms to bring best-of-breed experiences to the table. So the introduction of Windows 8 UI forced us to sort of rethink how to bring content to clients through an application experience. What we were excited to see was that this was a really new opportunity, a new canvas, if you will, that we could explore how to present content and leverage really new navigational controls that we didn't see in the other ecosystems and platforms to really drive different levels of user engagement. So for us, it's been a great experience to dive in and really try to understand where we could take that UI and deliver even more compelling experiences than we had elsewhere. One of the first questions we asked ourselves was, how big could this get? Where is this going to go? And we realized that if we had jumped into the App Store back in 2008 and been an early mover there, our company would be miles ahead of where it is today. So we didn't want to make that mistake twice, and we wanted to really be able to jump in with both feet and see if we can take advantage of the opportunity. What it's done for us already is bring in a client list that we're really proud of, new brands, new clients, new opportunities, and we just see that growing. We think that for Ratio at least, this opportunity is going to extend us for the next several years. Thanks to the Windows 8 Agency Network, we were able to pair our developers, engineers, and designers with key people, UX folks, engineers, and business people at Microsoft to really help them augment their skills and rapidly iterate and understand the best ways to leverage Windows 8 UI and build applications that had high performance and created value for customers. When we talk to clients, it's pretty clear that there's an opportunity with Windows 8. It's just a matter of when, not if. From our perspective, we look at where the ecosystem is and where it's going to go. The volume and the size of the marketplace is just so large. It's an opportunity that can't be ignored. We try to help clients identify the right way to enter the market, the right price points, the right business strategies, the right way to deliver their content in a way that's going to actually entrench them inside daily consumer lives. They'll have an opportunity to reach a broader audience and be available more often than they've ever been before with one single endpoint solution.